Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Salesian sisters elect 11th Superior General. Sister Celine DECOR reports from General Chapter in Rome.
The 24th General Chapter of the Salesian Sisters of Don Bosco elected their 11th Superior General, Sister Chiara Cazzuola. She was the Vicar General of the Institute for the past 6 years and moderator of the present General Chapter. The election took place on Tuesday, 5th October 2021 and was elected on the first ballot. Present for the occasion to congratulate and to assure full support to the newly elected Superior General was Rector Major of the Salesian Society, Reverend Father Angel Fernandez Artime, along with former Rector Major, Reverend Father Pascual Chavez Villanueva, who facilitated the discernment process. Born in Campiglia Marittima, Livorno, Italy, in 1955, Sister Chiara belongs to the Tuscan province of the Holy Spirit.
87 new teachers from 7 schools get trained in Next Normal for Salesian educators. Father Ekasit Talakulton reports from Bangkok.
The Thai Province Education Commission of Salesian Schools organized an online seminar for 87 new teachers of 7 Salesian schools on 2nd October 2021. The seminar, open for interested persons who wanted to join the online activities, had the theme The Next Normal for Salesian Educators. The online mode allowed the lay personnel, who were mostly followers of other faiths, to better understand and absorb Don Bosco's charism and provide quality education for young people.
Mission priests hold spiritual retreat studying post-chapter document on Salesian rector. Father Jose Pampadil gives details from Joypur Hat in Bangladesh.
7 priests of the Salesian mission in Bangladesh had their annual spiritual retreat in Don Bosco, Chalabon, Dhaka from 20th to the 25th of September 2021. The preacher of the retreat was the Holy Spirit. The unique feature of this retreat was that each of the participants went through the complete post-chapter document on animating and governing the community, the ministry of the Salesian rector. They also shared their reflections on the main 3 parts of the document and connected it with their actual experience of animation and governance of their respective communities and presences. During absence of priests in the community, the brothers in practical training manifested their Salesian maturity and so to the normal running of their communities. The noble spiritual retreat concept was that of Father Francis Alancheri, the mission coordinator of Bangladesh.
South Asia has 3 youth delegates in Salesian Youth Movement World Council. Father Bastin Neliseri reports from Bangalore.
The 3 delegates of Salesian Youth Movement World Council from South Asian region are Ms. Divya from Bangalore, Mr. Noah Rodriguez from Goa, and Father Robert Simon. They were elected by the South Asian regional body to represent the region in the international meetings, to engage in collective reflection with the rest of the regions for the progress of Salesian Youth Movement, to collectively discern and decide on common activities at the world level, and to act as a link between the region and the world movement. Ms. Divya, who hails from Bangalore, is Yuva Ratna Award winner in Karnataka and is an active member of Bosco Youth Karnataka since 2012. She has participated in Theze pilgrimage at Hong Kong in 2018 and has been part of the Bangalore Provincial Chapter held in May 2019. Mr. Noah Rodriguez from Goa is a member of the Don Bosco Youth Services since 2017 and organizes various sports activities, spiritual moments, and events to reach out to the youth. Father Robert Simon is the Director of Don Bosco Youth Animation for South Asia region under Salesian Provincial Conference. Besides holding several responsibilities both at the state and national levels, Father Robert was part of the Youth Ministry Department in Rome as Coordinator of Asia and Africa region and World Coordinator of Salesian Youth Movement with Father Fabio Attard, the General Counselor for Youth Ministry.
For sanctuary design, statues, church doors and facades, contact Church Art Kolkata, serving bishops and religious congregations worldwide for over 40 years. Our speciality, life-size outdoor Stations of the Cross, 54 items Lourdes style, and 12 apostles larger-than-life Vatican style. Our latest item, 20 Mysteries of the Rosary, 70 items Fatima style. For affordable church decor and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil, churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp or Telegram, country code 91, mobile number 9831020945. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Salesians mark mission centenary with child-friendly cities movement in Dimapur and Shillong. Reported by Director of Don Bosco Media Network, Father Michael Makri. The Child-Friendly Dimapur program of ANMA Integrated Development Organization AIDA was launched by Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur Rajesh Soundarajan IAS in AIDA campus on 29 September 2021. The Bosco Integrated Development Society BIDS launched its child-friendly Shillong movement on 30th September 2021. Representatives of various Nagaland and Meghalaya government departments, members of civil societies, educational institutions and NGOs working with and for children in Dimapur and Shillong participated. The child-friendly project is closely aligned with the UNICEF goals and objectives where all children without discrimination of any kind have access to their right to live secure and develop to their full potential. The initiative to care for children at risk marks the mission centenary of the arrival of Salesians to Shillong in January 1922. The project was inspired by Child-Friendly Guwahati initiative launched by former Chancellor of Assam Don Bosco University, Father V.M. Thomas in 2013. Pupils from Don Bosco School plant 2,000 trees. Father Eugene Florence reports from Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, South India.
The students of the Don Bosco School of Excellence belonging to the Tirusur province in southern India planted 2,000 native trees to give life to a new dense forest according to the Miyawaki method. The Japanese method involves planting 2 to 4 trees per square meter. Miyawaki forests grow in 2 to 3 years and are self-sustaining. They help lower temperatures in concrete heat islands, reduce air and noise pollution, attract local birds and insects, and increase carbon sinks. The activity was made known to celebrate the season of creation, which concluded on 4th October under the motto, "A home for everyone, renew the echoes of God." Before proceeding with the planting of trees in the so-called eco space of the Don Bosco campus, South Asia Regional Councillor Father Biju Michael presented the book, "We Are a Green School," which illustrates the school's ecological policy, and delivered it to the student leaders Ifa and Isaac. The rector of the Don Bosco School of Excellence, Father Ricobo Ryan, explained how the 5 priorities of the ecological policy emerged through the school's eco clubs. They are environmental education, increasing green coverage, natural resource management, waste management, and ecological lifestyle.
Bosco Vidu Kerala brings relief to migrant workers. Director of Don Bosco Nivas, Father Saji Alamba gives details.
Don Bosco Vidu Trivandrum was actively involved in various relief activities like distribution of food kits, medical equipments, and midday meals to the homeless, educational materials and remote educational gadgets to the students, care of the migrant workers, etc. able to do all these through the generous contribution and support of our donors. On 28th September, we have received a load full of food items from BoscoNet Delhi. This supply will reach to the nearby slums, migrant workers and their families, fisher folk and the poor in and around.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.